In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SKU numbers for Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to add SKUs to your products, and how to save those changes so they're ready for inventory tracking and reporting. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your store's admin area, you'll be on the main dashboard page. This is your home base, where you can see an overview of your store's performance, orders, and products. From here, we're going to move directly into the section where your products are managed. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Products. This opens a list of all the products in your store. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of items. Take a moment to find the specific product you want to add a SKU to. Adding SKUs one product at a time helps you avoid mistakes and keeps things organized. Once you've spotted the product you'd like to work on, click on its name to open the product details page. This is where you manage everything related to that item, from its title and description to pricing, inventory, and shipping information. On the product page, scroll down until you reach the inventory section. Here, you'll see options for how Shopify tracks the stock for this product. Make sure that inventory tracking is turned on. If you see an option saying that inventory is not tracked, click the toggle to enable inventory tracking. SKUs are especially useful when tracking stock levels, so this step is important. With inventory tracking on, look for the field labeled SKU. Click into this field. Now you can type the SKU you want to assign to this product. A SKU is an internal code you create to identify and organize your products. Use a format that makes sense for your business, such as combining letters and numbers that reflect product type, color, or size. Just remember, each SKU should be unique to that specific variation of a product. Right next to the SKU field, you'll see another field labeled barcode. If you have a barcode for this product, enter it there. This is typically a UPC, EN, or another scannable code that you might use in a physical store or warehouse. When you're done adding the SKU and barcode, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. This applies your changes and updates your product with the new SKU information.